We're back! Welcome to The Download, the show where I debug this week's developer news so you don't have to. Please like and subscribe. Alrighty friends, we are T-minus 18 days from GitHub Universe hitting San Francisco and your browsers. Are we ready for some GitHub Copilot updates, security autofixes, and open source goodness? The real action this year is happening at the Open Source Zone, basically the coolest hacker fair you'll ever find, where maintainers bring their projects and their repositories to life. Here are the projects that are showing up to the party. We'll have Upright, Go Releaser, Homebrew, Ladybird, Moondream, Oh My Z Shell, Open Source Project Security Baseline, OpenCV, P5.js, and Pixie.js. Digital passes for GitHub Universe are free at githubuniverse.com. And if you're lucky, you can catch one of the last in-person tickets available. Don't wait to buy it. This is a developer conference you don't want to miss. And speaking of open source goodness, Protegrity just shipped a fresh toolkit for GenAI developers. We're talking format-preserving encryption, tokenization, and Helm charts that actually work. If you're building with LLMs and care about not leaking PI everywhere, this is your best new friend. Pull it down, it's open source, contribute back, and sleep better knowing that your users' data is locked down tight. And big news for robotics folks. Newton just landed at the Linux Foundation. Co-developed by Disney Research, Google DeepMind, and NVIDIA, this GPU-accelerated physics engine is about to change how we train robots. It's built on NVIDIA Warp and OpenUSD, and Newton lets robots learn complex behaviors like walking on snow or handling delicate items without breaking them. The coolest part is designed for sim-to-real transfer that actually works. Disney's already using it for their park robotics, and now with neutral governance under the Linux Foundation, the whole community can contribute. Check it out at github.com/Newton-physics. And speaking of GitHub, we are rethinking software development itself. Have you checked out the recently dropped spec-kit? It's got over 30,000 stars already. It's a toolkit that flips how we build software. Instead of writing code first, you write specs that become executable. Start with /specify to describe what you want, /plan for your tech stack, and then /implement to build it all. It works with Cloud Code, Copilot CLI, Cursor, and basically every AI coding assistant you're already using. And the magic? Your specs stay the source of truth while AI handles the implementation details. Check it out at github.com/github/spec-kit. And big news from OpenAI. OpenAI introduced AgentKit, a complete set of tools designed to help developers move AI agents from prototype to production faster and with more control. The toolkit includes Agent Builder, a visual canvas for designing and versioning multi-agent workflows, a connector registry, which is a secure hub for managing data sources, tools, and APIs, and ChatKit, an embeddable production-ready chat UI for deploying agent experiences. Together, these components provide an end-to-end workflow for developers to design, connect, and deploy sophisticated AI agents directly within the OpenAI platform. And finally, let's talk about the hardware that's going to power all that AI magic. OpenAI, Samsung, and SK announced Stargate, a $500 billion bet on custom AI silicon. These chips are built for edge inference with power consumption that won't melt your data center. Great news for AI today. And that's a wrap for this week. Whether you're prepping for Universe, locking down GenAI, training robots in simulation, or writing specs first, I am grateful for your time and thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.